This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying physical compatibility. Does your laptop have a built-in SD slot, or will you use a USB card reader? Once confirmed, orient the adapter so contacts face the correct direction, usually toward the laptop body, and gently insert until it clicks or seats. Make sure the laptop is powered and unlocked so the operating system can mount the card immediately. You do this to prevent data corruption. A stable power and proper seating ensure reliable detection and faster transfers. Once the adapter is recognized, open your file manager and locate the new drive. Windows shows a drive letter, Mac OS shows a named volume. You should decide whether to copy files for backup or move them to free space. Copy prevents accidental loss. If you need to format, choose the file system compatible with your device, XFAT for cross-platform. While transferring, monitor progress bars. If speeds are slow, try a different USB port or a high-speed adapter, because bus bandwidth and card class matter. To finish, use the operating system's eject or safely remove function, then wait for confirmation and gently pull the adapter out. If the card isn't detected, reseat it and try another USB port or a different reader. This isolates whether the adapter, card, or port is at fault. If you see read/write errors, stop and make a raw copy if needed, then run disk repair utilities. Reformat only after you've backed up recoverable data. That single troubleshooting tip, try another reader, quickly narrows causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.